TEAS 7 Explained Answers. Question 1. After Amber Group 92 reads a passage about hand hygiene during the answer explanation review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. All microbes are harmless. Option B. Most infections begin at home. Option C. Hand hygiene reduces the spread of infection. Option D. Gloves remove the need for soap. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it summarizes the central point that clean hands protect patients and staff. All microbes are harmless is wrong because the passage treats microbes as a risk to control, and most infections begin at home is wrong because home exposure is not the focus of the passage. Gloves remove the need for soap is wrong because the passage focuses on hand washing and does not claim gloves replace it. Question 2. When Amber Group 92 sees details that a passage says a patient has dry lips, dark urine, and dizziness when standing, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The patient needs more noise. Option B. The patient has improved vision. Option C. The patient may be dehydrated. Option D. The patient has perfect hydration. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because dry lips, dark urine, and dizziness are consistent with low fluid balance. The patient needs more noise is wrong because noise has no connection to the symptoms given, and the patient has improved vision is wrong because vision is not discussed. The patient has perfect hydration is wrong because the symptoms point away from good hydration. Question 3. During Amber Group 92's answer explanation review, a passage warns that skipping directions can cost points and tells students to underline command words. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To advise students on careful test reading. Option B. To rank science topics by difficulty. Option C. To explain how to build a desk. Option D. To describe a historical event. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the warning and strategy are designed to guide reader behavior. To rank science topics by difficulty is wrong because the focus is reading directions, not science topics, and to explain how to build a desk is wrong because no construction steps are included. To describe a historical event is wrong because no event from history is described. Question 4. While Amber Group 92 outlines a passage that places general study advice first and then gives examples for each subject, which structure is being used? Option A. Spatial order. Option B. Circular reasoning. Option C. Contrast only. Option D. General to specific. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the passage starts broadly and narrows to examples. Spatial order is wrong because no physical location is being described, and circular reasoning is wrong because that is a logic problem, not the organization shown. Contrast only is wrong because the passage is not only showing differences. Question 5. Before Amber Group 92 accepts the claim that daily short practice improves accuracy, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. Some students like colorful notebooks. Option B. A teacher enjoys reading novels. Option C. The classroom has 4 windows. Option D. Students who completed 15 practice items daily improved from 68% to 82% in 2 weeks. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because specific scores and a time frame directly support improvement from practice. Some students like colorful notebooks is wrong because preference for notebooks does not show accuracy gains, and a teacher enjoys reading novels is wrong because the teacher's hobby is unrelated to practice accuracy. The classroom has 4 windows is wrong because room details do not support the claim. Question 6. Since Amber Group 92 sees the word infer in, students had to infer the author's opinion from clues in the paragraph, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Measure with a ruler. Option B. Copy word for word. Option C. Erase a mistake. Option D. Figure out from evidence. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because infer means to reach a conclusion using clues rather than a direct statement. Measure with a ruler is wrong because physical measurement does not fit author opinion, and copy word for word is wrong because copying does not involve reasoning from clues. Erase a mistake is wrong because erasing is unrelated to drawing conclusions. Question 7. Given Amber Group 92 answers 7 out of 10 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 70%. Option B, 14.29%. Option C, 30%. Option D, of 41.18%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 7 divided by 10 equals 0.7, and multiplying by 100 gives 70%. 14.29% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole, and 30% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction. 41.18% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. Question 8. If Amber Group 92's score rises from 70 to 84, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 20%. Option B, 16.7%. Option C, 14%. Option D, 120%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 14, and 14 divided by the original score 70 equals 20%. 16.7% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value, and 14% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. 120% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase. Question 9. Suppose Amber Group 92 solves 4x plus 7 equals 35. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 7. Option B, 8. Option C, 6. Option D, 28. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 7 leaves 4x equals 28, and dividing by 4 gives x equals 7. 8 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides, and 6 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation. 28 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer. Question 10. Using Amber Group 92's rectangle diagram with 7 cm long and 4 cm wide, which area should be recorded? Option A, 22 cm. Option B, 3 square cm. Option C, 28 square cm. Option D, 11 square cm. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because area is length times width, so 7 times 4 equals 28. 22 centimeters is wrong because that is the perimeter, not the area, and 3 square cm is wrong because it subtracts dimensions, which does not measure area. 11 square cm is wrong because it adds the sides rather than multiplying them. Question 11. From Amber Group 92's measurement note of 1250 ml, which conversion to L is accurate? Option A, 12.5 L. Option B, 0.125 L. Option C, 125 L. Option D, 1.25 L. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1250 milliliters divided by 1000 equals 1.25 liters. 12.5 L is wrong because it divides by 100 instead of 1000, and 0.125 L is wrong because it divides by 10,000 instead of 1000. 125 L is wrong because it moves the decimal in the wrong direction. Question 12. In Amber Group 92's score set 81, 76, 66, 87, 56, which median should be reported? Option A, 73.2. Option B, 87. Option C, 76. Option D, 56. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 56, 66, 76, 81, 87, and the middle value rule gives 76. 73.2 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method, and 87 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value. 56 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. Question 13. For Amber Group 92, 5 review packets cost $10. At the same rate, how much do 6 packets cost? Option A, $10. Option B, $16. Option C, $12. Option D, $30. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $10 divided by 5 gives $2 per packet, and 6 packets cost $12. $10 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost, and $16 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. $30 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price. Question 14. Near Amber Group 92's cell energy review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, nucleus. Option D, or ribosomes. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because mitochondria are the main site of ADP production during cellular respiration. Golgi apparatus is wrong because the Golgi modifies and packages molecules, and nucleus is wrong because the nucleus stores DNA and controls cell activities. Ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes build proteins rather than making most ADP. Question 15. Because Amber Group 92 traces circulation and blood returns from the lungs, where does it go next? Option A, pulmonary artery into the lungs. Option B, pulmonary veins into the left atrium. Option C, aorta into the right atrium. Option D, vena cava into the left ventricle. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because oxygenated blood returns from the lungs through pulmonary veins to the left atrium. Pulmonary artery into the lungs is wrong because that carries blood away from the right ventricle, and aorta into the right atrium is wrong because the aorta carries blood from the left ventricle to the body. Vena cava into the left ventricle is wrong because the vena cava returns systemic blood to the right atrium. Question 16. Although Amber Group 92 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, hard mineral walls. Option B, moist membranes. Option C, dry keratin layers. Option D, no contact with capillaries. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuse more effectively across moist respiratory surfaces. Hard mineral walls is wrong because hard mineral tissue is not designed for gas exchange, and dry keratin layers is wrong because dry keratin would block efficient diffusion. No contact with capillaries is wrong because capillary contact is essential for exchange. Question 17. Once Amber Group 92 notices that carbon dioxide rises and breathing rate increases, which process explains the response? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, osmotic pressure only. Option C, translation. Option D, negative feedback. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because faster breathing removes more carbon dioxide and opposes the increase. Photosynthesis is wrong because photosynthesis occurs in plants and some microbes, not this human response, and osmotic pressure only is wrong because osmotic pressure does not explain respiratory rate control. Translation is wrong because translation is protein synthesis. Question 18. Where Amber Group 92 studies genetics and one parent is AA and the other is AA, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 50%. Option B, 75%. Option C, 0%. Option D, 25%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because half the offspring are expected to be AA and half AA in a simple Punnett square. 75% is wrong because there is no 3 out of 4 pattern in this cross, and 0% is wrong because AA offspring are possible when one parent is AA. 25% is wrong because that would fit 2 heterozygous parents for a recessive phenotype. Question 19. As Amber Group 92 reviews chemistry and pH changes from 5 to 3, which conclusion follows? Option A. It becomes 2 times more acidic. Option B. It becomes 100 times more basic. Option C. It does not change acidity. Option D. It becomes 100 times more acidic. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each pH unit represents a tenfold change, so 2 units mean 10 times 10. It becomes 2 times more acidic is wrong because pH is logarithmic, not a simple subtraction scale, and it becomes 100 times more basic is wrong because a lower pH means more acidic, not more basic. It does not change acidity is wrong because a 2-unit pH shift is meaningful. Question 20. Under Amber Group 92's experiment testing whether caffeine affects reaction time, which setup is the control group? Option A. A group receiving caffeine and a harder test. Option B. A group receiving no caffeine but completing the same reaction test. Option C. A group that skips measurement. Option D. A group tested in a louder room. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the no caffeine group provides a baseline for comparison. A group receiving caffeine and a harder test is wrong because test difficulty changes along with caffeine, and a group that skips measurement is wrong because without measurement there is no comparison. A group tested in a louder room is wrong because noise adds a confounding variable. Question 21. Between Amber Group 92's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. The nurses in the hallway was checking the chart. Option B. The nurse in the hallway are checking the chart. Option C. The nurses in the hallway are checking the chart. Option D. The nurses in the hallway is checking the chart. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the plural subject nurses agrees with are. The nurses in the hallway was checking the chart is wrong because was does not agree with plural nurses, and the nurse in the hallway are checking the chart is wrong because are does not agree with singular nurse. The nurses in the hallway is checking the chart is wrong because is does not agree with plural nurses. Question 22. Inside Amber Group 92's sentence Maria and Elena checked blank answers twice. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A. Its. Option B. Their. Option C. Her. Option D. Herself. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because Maria and Elena form a plural antecedent, so there is appropriate. Its is wrong because its is used for a thing or organization, not two named people, and her is wrong because her refers to one female person, not two people. Herself is wrong because herself is reflexive and singular. Question 23. Through Amber Group 92's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A. The timer rang, everyone stopped writing. Option B. The timer rang, when everyone stopped writing. Option C. The timer rang, everyone stopped writing. Option D. The timer rang, everyone stopped writing. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each side can stand alone as a complete sentence. The timer rang, when everyone stopped writing, is wrong because the second part is a dependent clause, and the timer rang, everyone stopped writing, is wrong because the mark splits subject and verb. The timer rang, everyone stopped writing, is wrong because the first part is not properly separated. Question 24. According to Amber Group 92's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. The passage was long, the main idea was clear. Option B. The passage was long, the main idea was clear. Option C. The passage was long, but the main idea was clear. Option D. Because the passage was long but the main idea. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because but with a comma correctly joins contrasting independent clauses. The passage was long, the main idea was clear, is wrong because a comma alone cannot join two independent clauses, and the passage was long, the main idea was clear, is wrong because the clauses run together. Because the passage was long but the main idea is wrong because the sentence is incomplete. Question 25. Beyond Amber Group 92's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix sub-dash add? Option A. Above. Option B. Under or below. Option C. Many. Option D. Same. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because sub means under or below, as in subcutaneous beneath the skin. Above is wrong because above is super dash, and many is wrong because many is poly dash. Same is wrong because same is homo dash.